journey, life journey. Nobody knows when it will end, when it will all come to an end. I just live life. From here to where I don't know, but I know the journey's on. I'm going, but I don't know where it will lead to. I'm taking my time, taking baby steps off the baby steps. This is the life of a young one. I got a dream just like you. I wanna live a good life just like you. I wanna live feeling free just like you. I wanna live a good life of my own. I wanna drive fast cars of my own. I wanna live in a house of my own. I wanna live my own life. I will need someone to tell me how to live my life. Who's telling me how to live your life? What about the dreams I got? Why is it so hard to see all your dreams come true? You could be doing this for 50 years and then see the light. It's a life where it may happen, it may not. I seen the light in my short time around. I'm speaking from life itself. Nothing about life is fake, I just see life is in bright colors, shining bright each day that you wake up to see a brand new day. Believe me, it's a blessing when you wake up to see a new day. From here to where I don't know, but I know the journey's on. If you can picture me walking around, shouting out life is real, dreams are real. They're meant to happen when the time comes. The keys to hold on, stay trying. It may happen, it may not, but that don't mean you stop. Push harder, your dreams are in your own space. You make it what you want it to be. Close your eyes, listen to the words. The dreams are in your own faith. Your life is in your own hands. It's all in you, how you go about it. I wanna drive fast cars of my own, live in a house of my own, park up a nice weekend from my old lady house. I says #1 mom in the world. I got a dream just like you. I wanna live a good life just like you. I wanna live feeling free just like you. I wanna live a good life of my own. I wanna drive fast cars of my own. I wanna live in a house of my own. Keep my dream what I want it to be. I see no stop sign ahead, but death to stop me. If it's gonna hang with life, then I be smiling each day that I wake up. If it's gonna hang with death, then you know I be gone with a mean mug on my face. I'm not trying to make a trip down to the burying ground. I'm a rabble living that good life. Kick back with my people back a yard and live that good life. My dreams are as real as yours. I'm taking charge of my own fate, my own life. Get what I want. Don't let the surprises of life get you down. It's on you to make your dreams what you want it to be. Hold on to your dreams just as much as you're willing to hold on to your life. Know what which time. You should never close any doors in your life. It's not over until life doors are closed for good. That's when it's all over. It all comes to an end when life is gone. Hold on and do your thing while you're alive. That's it. Life journey. Do what you got. That's the journey. We don't wait for nothing. We go do it. That's tomorrow. We are knowing promise. It ain't. So you do it while you can. The journey of life, man. The way, just go. Go.